Hi guys, I'm Chef Julia.
And I'm Chef Sienna.
And we're gonna be making
Lemon cream pie.
Yeah. Okay, so first thing we need is 1 1/4 cups of flour. Then we're gonna need to turn this on. So put it on 1.
Cold butter.
Okay, put it in. And we're gonna let it all spin until it looks like cookie crumble. Crack the egg, but separate the yolk from the white. Vanilla.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of cold water, and then you're gonna mix this.
Okay.
Mix. Once that becomes a dough in a few seconds, we're gonna roll it into a ball, put it in here, and put it in the fridge for 15 minutes.
Okay.
See you guys? So now, Chef Sienna, use your hands and roll it all into a ball.
Okay.
We're gonna flour our surface. Perfect. Okay, here's our dough. Just use a glass Pyrex, flip it. I'm gonna give you a little knife and you're gonna trim it. Okay, now we're gonna grab a fork and we're gonna fork it all over, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. So you're just gonna go like this all the way around. Perfect. Okay, so this is gonna go in the fridge now. So we're gonna need 2 cans of condensed milk.
Okay.
And 1 cup of lemon juice.
Okay.
And we're gonna need 5 egg yolks. Voila, Chef Sienna's lemon tart. Recipe will be up on my YouTube channel, and Sienna will put it up on her TikTok. And thank you for watching.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye,
for
guys.
watching.